Then guys, open any browsers to Google search box to type ThinkPad P15s. Okay, so go to this first URL pcsupport.lenovo.com. Just right click to new tab. Okay, so guys, if you don't know about your if it is showing different laptop, so no worry about it, just enter the serial number of your laptop and then click to searches. Okay, then you can see this is a fingerprint driver. Click, this is type, just click to download the fingerprint. Click to download. After download, you just single click to setup, then yes, then okay, then next, I accept, next, select install, then next, and install. Now this is extract file. After that, restart only, and you can see this is the fingerprint reader install, and then okay, and then finish, then restart your system. Thank you.